Hi, Tiffany Stewart with Illinois Extension, and today's recipe is an easy summer salad.
Gently rub produce under cold running water. For this recipe, you will need 4 cups spinach leaves or lettuce, 1/2 red onion, thinly sliced, 1 can, 8 ounces, mandarin oranges, drained, 1/2 bell pepper, sliced, 1/4 cup vinaigrette salad dressing. Add all ingredients in a large salad bowl and toss to mix. Serve immediately.
And now we have our finished summer salad. Makes a great side dish.
Eat, Move, Save.